Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all some amazing goodies I scored by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in this bag. That's what's going to make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what the Glam find in her local Dollar Tree this time. And this time, it is all about self-care, okay? Oh my gosh, I got some super fun goodies. So first thing up out the bag. So I went up in there and I found the cutest ever paddle brush. Look at this. It says I'm really a unicorn. This is a paddle brush by Expressions, and it says that it was originally $5. So I guess wherever it's, you know, normally selling retail is $5, but it's a paddle brush. It's a plastic paddle brush, and it says I'm really a unicorn on the back of it. And I got this, you know, because it says I'm really a unicorn, and I also got it for my wigs and whatnot. So I got this brush, and then I seen the cutest ever baby pink one. But what makes this one so cute also is on the back of it, it has little emojis all over it. It has the happy face, the sleeping face, it has rainbows, it has clouds with Z's, and I just thought these brushes were absolutely adorable. So I was like, what the heck, why buy one when I could buy two? So I got these paddle brushes. I got some good stuff in here, yes ma'am. So moving right along, it's all about anti-aging. If you are an official Glam Doll here on this channel, and when I say official, that means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, and that also means that you know anything that is anti-aging. I am all over it, okay? So Global Beauty Care now have some lip facial masks going on up in there, some lip masks that look like this right here. And what, you know, interests me the most about these is that they are 15-minute lip facial therapies, and it's infused with collagen proteins and essential fatty acids, okay? These help to lift, firm, and tone your skin in just one treatment. That is what the packaging is saying. So you know I was not going to leave these behind. And you also know I'm showing you just two of these, but I ain't even going to finish that sentence. You should already know. Still with the anti-aging, they also have, which is Global Beauty Care, they also have the cucumber under eye gel packs right here. I was so excited to have seen these because I have seen other YouTubers who do Dollar Tree haul videos hauling these just the same. And this one right here says that these help to moisturize and revitalize your tired eyes, and your skin will look as good as it feels. Nurtured, smooth, and radiant. Yes, ma'am! I'm going to be having my lips and my eyes looking ultra smooth and ultra radiant. She is not playing. The next thing up out my bag, okay, I finally found the Global Beauty Care exfoliating foot mask. There's different kinds. This is the exfoliating version. This one helps to peel away calluses and dead skin cells. It exfoliates and moisturizes, and you get a chance to wear this for like 15 minutes, and it helps to moisturize and gently exfoliate the calluses and dead skin cells that's on your feet. And I also found the moisturizing foot mask, okay? So be mindful that when you see these in the store, they have two different kinds. The orange looking one is exfoliating, and the greenish blue looking one is the moisturizing, and I have these right here. So I was super happy to have found those. So I also, you know, got some Micellar cleansing water. This is a makeup remover, and I was pretty excited to have seen this. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers using this in their videos, and as well as hauling it in their Dollar Tree hauls. So when I seen it in mine, I was super excited to have picked it up. And it says this is a moisturizing makeup remover, and it's Micellar Water cleansing makeup remover. So I got that right there. There was no way I was gonna leave this little baby behind. This is a 2-in-1 brush and comb combo, but this is great if you are avid wig wearer like myself and you like to slick down those, you know, baby hairs on your wig units or whatnot, this is a great brush to use. Or if you have your own natural baby hairs, this will be fantastic for you to use also. You know, this is not as abrasive against your skin. You know, it's not as abrasive as it is if you were to use a toothbrush, which is an old school method, because I know I'm not the only one who was taking an old toothbrush and swooping some baby hairs. But with this in particular, the brushes are designed to be gentle on your skin, but yet it catches them baby hairs. So I got this right here. Oh, and it has a little comb on the end, just in case if you want to use that side. Then I also picked up some Hygiene Spray. This is hypoallergenic all day freshness control. That looks like this right here. I use this as a body spray for when I get out my bath or shower, and I kid you not, it has the, oh my god, it smells so much. It has a baby powder fresh scent. That's number one, and it really do have you feeling fresh all day. I've sprayed this on me, you know, under my arms and whatnot, and I stay dry. Okay, it has worked very, very well for me. I'm surprised that I only picked up one, which reminds me I need to go back and get 2 or 3 more. But I absolutely do love this, especially when it's at night and, you know, you take your nice long bath or shower when you get out and you spray yourself. Oh, you feel so good to lay down smelling the fresh scent of like a baby powder scent, and then you in your bed and your sheets, and maybe you got your spouse with you and you're cuddling, and oh girl, yeah, this yeah, just get more than one. I'm just saying. Another thing, haha, Global Beauty Care again. I got a charcoal spa treatment mask. This is not just a regular facial mask, dolls. This is the spa treatment mask, all right? It is infused with anti-aging serum, soothing 15-minute facial therapy. It deep cleans down to the pores, effectively moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Did I mention it has anti-aging serum properties up in here? Yes, it do. And on the back of it, here's what it's promising. It says to when dirt and oil is in your pore, okay, when dirt and oil in your pores comes in contact with the carbon, they stick to it and then get washed away when you rinse. This leaves your face fresh, clog free, skin with an ultra smooth touch. Ultra smooth. And it says Global Beauty Care Premium Charcoal Spa Treatment Mask is a powerful moisturizing facial mask that contains natural charcoal. Hello, spa treatment. I'm showing you one, but you already know in my video, especially if you're an official glam doll, it's never more than one that I have that I'm showing. So now my video is over. These are the last few things I have to share with you. So it wouldn't be a Dollar Tree haul if I went up in Dollar Tree and didn't come out with some LA Colors Cosmetics. Yes, LA Colors Cosmetics, LA Colors Cosmetics. I am like, you know what, a long time ago I have declared myself as the unofficial LA Colors brand ambassador. I have been repping this brand for years. I thoroughly enjoy all of their beauty products and their cosmetic line. I kid you not. So much so I have an exclusive playlist featuring strictly just LA Colors Cosmetics and FAB Looks I have created just by using their cosmetic line alone, okay? These right here are the loose face and body shimmer, and it says shine like a star. So I got these really to use on the body since summer is fast approaching. So the first one I have is Gold Dust. It's a golden dust color. I also picked up Magical Dust, which is kind of like a pinkish bronzy color. Looks like this right here. And this one is Sugar Dust, more so along the lines of a silver-esque kind of finish. And then this one right here is Pixie Dust, which have some blues and purples and pinks and whatnot in it. And those are the shimmer body dust that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And now my video is over. OMG. I want to thank you all for spending some time with me today as I share these fabulous goodies that I score off my local Dollar Tree. I also want to know if the lighting in the video was fluctuating and changing. I apologize about that. I'm recording in natural daylight, and Mother Nature, she be doing the most, which sometimes she makes me think she a little bit jealous because she can't go in her local Dollar Tree. Don't mind me. I'm in a very, very good mood today. But seriously speaking, on that note, this did just conclude the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. And I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.